This unusually tall Unipaws cat gate creates a full-height barrier that is ideal for doorways or hallways with very high openings, giving determined feline jumpers far less opportunity to escape. The narrow spacing between the vertical bars is tight enough to keep small kittens from slipping through while still allowing good visibility and airflow between rooms. A swing door that opens in both directions and can be unlatched with one hand makes it easy for humans to pass through even when carrying laundry, groceries, or a pet carrier. The updated design with 3 support pillars and a wider brace feels noticeably sturdier than many standard pet gates, reducing wobble and the risk of it being knocked loose by energetic pets. The door can be left propped open at about a right angle for busy times and will otherwise swing shut on its own, which helps prevent accidental gaps when you forget to close it. A pressure-mounted installation with adjustable support poles lets you secure the gate firmly without drilling into walls or door frames, making it appealing for renters and anyone who wants to avoid permanent holes.